Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Obviously we have a new Civivi knife, and I think I haven't actually been into the package, but I think you guys will find this interesting. This is the Thug 2. I did not know that they were sending me this. This actually came in a recent box with some Wii knives, and I thought I'll separate those videos out. We'll do a Civivi specific video, but up until just 10 minutes ago, I didn't actually look at what was on the outside of the box, so I'm really intrigued. If this is available, as per usual, I will link it right down below so you guys can check it out. I would greatly appreciate it if you would use my links, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Oh, there was a box in the way, so okay. Let's get this out and see. Do we have to break that? Yeah, we have to break that seal. So get out the old obsidian toenail. The obsidian toenail? What's that? Well, watch more of my content. How smug. How smug was that? Okay, we got this the Thug, but it's for Civivi. Oh, it's no. Did the original not have a flipper tab? This is kind of a chunky little Civivi here. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. Oh, now hold on a second. Is it? No, that's the same. Hold on. Hold on. What do I got here? Yeah, okay, hang on. I got another Civivi here. Civivi, have you changed your clip a little bit? It is shorter. I think still as pronounced though. This is the Cetos, which was not my favorite thing in the whole world, largely because of what you just watched me do there. Still pretty pronounced. So, sorry, I'm looking at mine too. Shorter though. Would prefer this clip on everything. On this guy, you're still in the middle of it because it's such a short knife. I like that we don't have as many holes, and the bill is, if I'm not mistaken, a little bit less, you know, a little bit. Is it my imagination? Maybe it's my imagination. This looks better at least. All the unnecessary speed holes, right? Now, obviously, the blade here, that's the cool part. The Thug was exclusive, if I'm not mistaken, to their premium line. Sorry, trying to left-hand reverse flick it. Yes, and you can. This was exclusive to their premium line, or the Wii knife line, and it was titanium and 20 CV. And wow, really cool, but you got to, it was quite a bit more money. This guy is sporting Nitro V, so probably still, I hope they keep it at 65. Ish. I hope. I have no idea. Like I said, I'll link it down below, but I have no idea what it's actually going to be priced at. Did the original Thug have a flipper tab, or was it always thumb stud? So this works really well. Normally, I know I'm all over the place, but normally I say, if I can't get a full purchase on it, then it's not my favorite thing in the whole world, unless it has some type of, obviously, just for day-to-day, like EDC purposes, I always prefer, even if I don't need it, I prefer to get all 4 fingers on it. This is definitely a 3-finger knife. I must have caught my knuckle on something. Yeah, this has got a little bit more character. I've always liked the Thug since the first time that I, saw the design. I don't know what it is about this stubby Tanto. It's actually compound. So down here, thin, out here thicker, but it's not an ultra thick blade stock. Because of the positioning of the thumb studs, you've actually got plenty of room to get in there and do that. It's really easy to flick out. This is actually pretty fun for a little knife, right? But it's kind of a little big knife. Let me test the edge on some paper here real quick. This doesn't prove much, I know, but I just want to It actually did get it. Yeah, okay. This is the thinner edge. Well, that wasn't good. I think that's me catching it off of, yeah. So I was catching it back here, off the sharpening choil. This edge, okay. How about this edge? Honestly, it feels about the same, considering it's actually a thicker edge. Not gonna be this. I mean, it'll slice, right? It'll slice. It's just the way that it's ground. Not gonna be this absolute most laser beamy thing in the entire world, but definitely cool. Knowing Civivi, they will certainly do a variety of, you know, micarta color choices. This actually looks pretty good. Is this OD or is it? Where's the box? So this is black. This is black micarta. Coarse presentation handle. They're like, how many syllables can we get in here? See, this is black stonewashed. Oh, that's the, I'm sorry, I'm an idiot. This says Satos. This is this knife. This guy, oh my god. Dark green micarta, silver bead blast nitro V blade. I do like this finish. Sorry. I do like this finish, the silver bead blast. I think it looks nice as far as bead blasts go. It doesn't look quite as cheap as, I'm not going to name any other companies, but it doesn't look quite as cheap as some of the competition for this price point. The Nitro V, definitely welcome. You know, that's a good to go steel. And the dark green on this looks good. If this is their clip going forward, number one, it's aesthetically better. I would prefer this. I'm not saying that it is. It's just the first time I've seen a variation of their standard clip. The lack of additional speed rectangles is welcome, and the fact that it is shorter is better. That'll translate better on a knife with a longer handle. These unnecessarily long clips are just, the further down the handle of the knife, the more that it digs into your palm, which is why I don't like this pronounced sort of bill. It just needs to be more shallow. But this is inching closer to an ideal clip, one that they could have universally on all of their knives. And of course, this is just one man's opinion, right? The guy who designed the clip for Civivi could be like, I did design the perfect clip. We just have a differing opinion on what perfect is, right? So, yeah, this is pretty cool. If they keep it around 65, preferably under 65, then this is neat, right? It's nice that they brought something that was very popular from their premium line to their budget line. You will probably have an option for, in fact, I've got the little piece of paper. Why don't we just look at what we've got here? All right, so here are your options. We have black. We have black and bead blasted. We have the green here and bead blasted, and then we have Damascus, which, but there are your options. So you do have an all black version. So, okay, I'll do a full comprehensive review of this knife a few weeks down the road. But as far as first impressions go, I think that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. So anyways, thanks so much to Civivi for sending this in for me to take a look at. Where is my card? There it is. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.